Hi, I'm Stephen, co-founder and CIO at Quantamize, and I would like to take you for a tour of our stock model portfolios. Our stock model portfolios are model portfolios we think are best constructed to maximize return and manage risk based on our AI multi-factor models. You can navigate to them simply from the dashboard on the General Overview page. We currently have 3 different types of US-focused portfolios: 6 international model portfolios, and 5 global portfolios. Our portfolios are very unique. They're quantitatively concentrated portfolios of roughly 10 to 15 stocks that permits our subscribers either to put together a top-performing concentrated portfolio of stocks or create thematic sleeves where our subscribers allocate capital across different portfolios, like emerging market consumer. Why don't we take a look at the US Quality Value portfolio? The user is initially prompted with the basic statistics of the portfolio on the left-hand side in the black box. As you can see, this concentrated portfolio has only 10 stocks, and while the forward 12-month PE is not cheap at 15 times, look at that trailing 12-month free cash flow yield north of 10.5%. The dividend yield for this model portfolio is roughly 2%. Now look to the right. In the green box, you see performance. 8.5% in calendar 2018. That compares with a negative 4.4% for the S&P 500 and more than negative 8% for the Russell 1000 value. Not too bad. The subscriber is also prompted to see the risk-reward ratio and the Sortino ratio. If you don't know what these are, why don't you hover over the I-box and learn more? If you scroll down, you see all the holdings on the model portfolio sorted by weight. Further down, you see the time series of the model portfolio's performance. Keep in mind, most of this performance is not a backtest. These are simulated returns. Big difference, and in layman's terms, simply means these are simulated returns someone could have realized, assuming no commissions or other frictional costs. Let's go back to the holdings. If you hover over a name, the Quantamize Q window pops up to give you some basic relevant data points. If you want to see more details, click More Details and you'll be taken to the company's individual landing page on Quantamize.com. We have over 20,000 stocks and almost 3,000 ETFs with their own individual landing pages. You can also access our stock model portfolios from the left rail menu bar. Why don't you follow me? Click Stocks, and then scroll to the bottom and choose View All. You can also simply just choose Stock Model Portfolios from the left rail and go right to the product landing page. I hope you found this tour helpful. Please check out our video tours to help you get comfortable with the power of the Quantamize platform and to learn more about how we're trying to help individual investors like you discover your next big investment. I'm Stephen, co-founder and CIO at Quantamize, and thank you for watching this video.